Hi guys, and welcome to YDcharge. I'd like to introduce these guys to you. They have a lot of experience with designing charging stations, 16 years of experience with their engineers and designers, and they produce some really high quality, high-end products. So let's go in and meet them. So we've arrived at our YD charging station. I've brought along my personal charger for my bike. Let's get it out and charge it. You can plug it in, just open the door, plug it in. Put the charger inside and close the door. Now we can plug it into our bike. Next, we need to secure it using the lock. So we can put this through the door. And next we put it around our bike. And then put it in the lock. Next, use your phone, open the app and scan the QR code. And press confirm.
Your vehicle is start charging.
Now your bike is locked, ready to go and start charging. So I've just returned to my bike. I press finish charging, confirm, and I'm ready to take my bike away. I can unlock it, open the door, take your charger. So my bike's all charged up and I'm ready to go. But if you guys need a hand with the charging station, feel free to contact YDcharge on the information below. See you later guys. Nice to see you. Bye.